In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Ecwid store. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or looking to give your existing shop a facelift, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your e-commerce site not only looks professional, but also aligns perfectly with your brand. Let's begin by visiting the official Ecwid website. You'll find it by searching for Ecwid #1 free e-commerce shopping cart and free online store. Upon reaching the home page, your first task is to click on the login button. This action will navigate you to the login page, where various sign-in options are presented. For many, the simplest way to get started is to use the sign in with Google option. It's quick, it's easy, and it means one less password to remember. Go ahead and select this option and then choose the Google account you wish to link with your Ecwid store. If you're already signed into Google, it's just a click away. If not, you'll need to sign into your Google account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This is essentially the command center for your online store, where you can manage everything from products to orders and, importantly for us today, customize the look of your store. Your next step is to navigate to the website settings. This section is crucial as it houses all the tools and options for customizing your storefront. Look for the website settings option and give it a click to get started. Once there, you'll realize the power you hold to make your store truly yours. Editing your store is quite intuitive with the Ecwid editor. You can start by updating your store's cover and headline. This is typically the first thing visitors see, so make sure it captivates and clearly communicates what your store is about. Next, take a moment to edit your product collection. This area showcases your products, so it's important to ensure it's well organized and highlights your best or most popular items. Still, in the editing mode, consider updating your About Us section. This is your opportunity to tell your story, connect with customers, and build trust. Don't forget about your promo slider. This feature can be a powerful tool to highlight ongoing promotions, new arrivals, or best sellers. Keeping this section updated can significantly impact your sales and customer engagement. Customer reviews are next on the list. Positive reviews can greatly influence buying decisions, so showcasing satisfied customers' testimonials can be very beneficial. Following that, edit your delivery info section. Clear and concise delivery information sets the right expectations and can reduce inquiries about shipping. Your contact page is equally important. Make sure your contact information is accurate and easy to find. This builds confidence and ensures customers can reach out with questions or concerns. Last but not least, don't overlook your website's footer. This section typically contains links to your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and social media profiles. It's essential for navigation and legal compliance. Feeling like you need something more? The Add section option is your friend here. Whether it's a FAQ, a gallery, or custom HTML, this feature lets you add whatever you feel is missing, giving you the flexibility to tailor your store precisely to your needs. As you go through these steps, remember to save your changes and preview your site. This ensures everything looks just as you'd hoped before you unveil your newly customized store to the world. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to customizing your Ecwid store. Keep experimenting with different looks and features until you find the perfect fit for your brand. Remember, your online store is often the first interaction customers have with your brand, so make it count. Thank you for joining me today. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating an online store that's not only functional, but also uniquely yours. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your e-commerce journey.